Hi friends, today we will discuss about important articles of the Indian Constitutions as direct question answer method. You try to give all the answers before I mention. Friends, please do share and subscribe our channel and encouraging us to make more informative and useful video for you. So let's start. Our first question. Which article is for formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries or names of existing states? And your answer is Article 3. Which article is related to equality before law? Article 14. Which article is related to equality of opportunity in matters of public employment? And answer is Article 16. Which article is related to assent to bill? Article 111. Which article is for protection of interest of minorities? And answer is Article 29. Which article of the Constitution empowers the President to promulgate ordinance? And answer is Article 123. Which article is related to equal justice and free legal aid? And your answer is Article 39A. Article 44 is related to, yes, right, uniform civil code for the citizens. Which provision of the fundamental rights is directly related to exploitation of children? And right answer is Article 24. Which article of the Indian Constitution is known as Constitutional Remedies of Indian Constitutions? Right answer is Article 32. Which article of Indian Constitution guarantees freedom to press? Right answer is Article 19. The next question. Which pairs of articles relating to fundamental rights cannot be suspended during the enforcement of emergency under Article 359 of the Indian Constitution? And your right answer is Article 20 and 21. The articles of the Constitutions of India which deal with directive principle of state policy are, and the right answer is Article 36 to 51. Which articles of the directive principle of state policy deals with promotion of international peace and security? And the right answer is Article 51. Which articles of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental duties of Indian citizens? This is a very important question, and right answer is Article 51A. Under which article of the Indian Constitution can the President of India be impeached? And right answer is Article 61. The Union Budget is laid before two House of the Parliament in accordance with the article number Article 112. Which article of the Indian Constitution define money bill? And the right answer is Article 110. Under which article of Indian Constitution Finance Commission constitute? And right answer is under Article 280. Under which article of Indian Constitution empower of High Courts to issue certain writs? And right answer is Article 226. Which articles deals with abolition of untouchability? And right answer is, oh friends, I will not say this answer. You have to give this answer in our comment box. Okay, till then, thank you.